Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We continue our journey on paper 3, question 2c. Okay, so look at the question. Okay, show that the value of L water, the specific latent heat of fusion of water is a 3.2 times 10 to the power 5. Okay, so it's a calculation question. So I'll be afraid we can't get the answer, so they give us already. So make sure you can get it. Okay, so this is the equation. The most too difficult part is the delta T. Don't mix them. Okay, delta T water is the first one. Warm water becomes cold water. So 45 becomes 30. Okay, so 75. So the other one is the ice, change of temperature of ice. Ice become water 0 and then becomes 20 degrees Celsius water. So the temperature change is 20. So it's a substitution time. So just substitute it 0.095. Okay, and then 4,200 and then 25 degrees Celsius temperature change, and then for the ice, right, 0.025 and then arrow and then plus 4,200 and then temperature change, remember 0 to 20. So we got the results. Okay, it is for part C. Okay, so and then you calculate it, remember, because the answer is given, so you need to show you have done it. How can I show it? So give a result that is more accurate than that one. You do the calculation. Try to do it. Okay, yes, you got it. It should be 3.15 times 10 to the power 5. Okay, so you got it. And then the last step, you have to state the result. So you say it's approximately equals to 3.2 times 10 to the power 5 joule per kilogram. Although low marks for this last recap of the result, but you still need to write it. Actually, the marks is here, 3.15. Remember, in IB, whenever the answer is given to you, you show it. You have to show 1 or 2 digits more accurate result to get the marks. Okay. D. The propagated percentage uncertainty in water is 6.4%. Although you don't show this word, okay, sometimes it's somewhere in the textbook. Okay, actually, no need to care about it. Just the percentage uncertainty is here. Calculate the absolute uncertainty. Remember appropriate number of significant. Be careful. Okay, so remember absolute uncertainty. So absolute uncertainty of L is the measured value 3.2 times 10 to the power 5, right? And then times the uncertainty 6.4%. So after the calculation, you got it. Yes, it is 2.0 times 10 to the power 4. Remember, you need to stay in scientific notation. And remember, it is a multiplication. Okay, so the significant follow the least. Both have a 2 significant, so your result should be have a 2 significant 2. Okay, you got it? Well done.